In the ever-evolving landscape of consumer technology, Chinese brand Teclast has made a name for itself by offering an array of budget-friendly tablets. Known for providing value without compromising on performance and quality, Teclast has recently launched its newest addition to the M series, the Teclast M50. This tablet promises to be an attractive option for those seeking an affordable and reliable mobile computing device. The Teclast M50 boasts a sleek and modern appearance, featuring a sturdy metal body that exudes a premium feel. The tablet is available in a striking turquoise color, adding a touch of style to its overall aesthetic. With a slim profile, measuring just 8mm in thickness, and a manageable weight of 450 grams, the M50 is developed to be a portable companion for your daily tasks and entertainment needs. The tablet's standout feature is its vibrant 10.1-inch display, with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This LCD screen offers a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, ensuring crisp and clear visuals. What's more, it comes with Widevine L1 certification, making it ideal for streaming enthusiasts who wish to enjoy high-definition content from popular streaming applications. Under the hood, the Teclast M50 is powered by a Unisoc T606 chip, which is known for delivering respectable performance in its price range. The tablet is equipped with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for your apps, files, and media. On the software front, the M50 runs on Android 13, providing users with access to the latest features and a familiar, user-friendly interface. Teclast has not skimped on connectivity options with the M50. The tablet offers dual SIM support, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GNSS for accurate location tracking, and a convenient USB Type-C port for quick charging and data transfer. What sets the M50 apart from many budget tablets is the inclusion of dual stereo speakers, which deliver immersive audio experiences. It also features a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD card slot for expanding storage options. For those who occasionally snap photos on their tablet, the Teclast M50 is equipped with a 13MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera. While these may not compete with dedicated smartphone cameras, they offer sufficient capabilities for basic photography needs. Powering the M50 is a 6000 mAh battery, providing adequate endurance for a day's use. This ensures that you can enjoy your favorite content and accomplish tasks without constantly worrying about recharging. In summary, the Teclast M50 sets a new standard for affordability in the tablet market. While it's priced at an astonishingly low 599 yuan in China, the global version, featuring GNSS, is available at a competitive $179. Furthermore, the savvy shopper can enjoy even more savings by keeping an eye out for deals and coupons on popular commerce platforms like Amazon and AliExpress. Teclast's commitment to affordability and accessibility ensures that the M50 is within reach for consumers, no matter where they reside. Whether you like this tablet or not, write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and good luck.